Hey friends, how to add glide dependency in Android Studio. Let's create new project, file, new project with empty activity, next, and let's name it glide sample. Finish. First let's add library dependency in build Gradle app model. For this, click right button on the app and then click Open Model Settings. Here select Dependencies and in Dependencies click plus and choose Library Dependency. Here write Glide and click Search. We have Glide Dependency, click OK and OK once more. And we have Glide Library Dependency in our build Gradle file. Let's check how it works. Go to the main activity and here type glide. Choose glide, then point and select with view. View is our activity and write this. Next, choose our image, point, load, and we can choose any file or we can write URI. Go to the resources, drawable, and I choose launcher foreground. Write our resource, then drawable, our package, and name of our picture. It will be launcher background. Then go to the layout of our main activity. It's activity main XML, and here create our image view. It can be any picture, for example this. Okay, and let's constrain it to our constraint layout. ID of our image is image view. Go to the main activity and choose enter. Target is our image view. Let's find our image view. For this, type R resource, then point ID, point image view. But we have error, type mismatch. This expression is integer, but we need image view. Let's create variable image view and let's find our image view by ID. Move this expression to find view by ID. We have error, not enough information. To infer type variable. Type variable is image view. Let's write it. It's okay. And let's write where we want to see our picture in image view. And let's check it. Our layout image is this picture, but we want to load in image view launcher background instead of picture. Let's check, and we have our launcher background, which we load using Glide library. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.